Endless possibilities. Endless power. True power reliability. Phoenix Contact.
Hello, I am Sudipto Das from Business Unit System Protection Technology. Surge Protection Device SPD is a very important installation for protection from lightning and switching surge. Correct installation of SPD is very important. It's a parallel device. For safe electrical installation of SPD, it is very important to choose right fuse for electrical safety. Often, fuse selection creates confusion. Phoenix Contact introduces SPD with inbuilt fuse, where no additional external fuse is required.
Protect your system against surge voltages and increase system availability. The spark gap with safe energy control technology ensures impact-free operation, even in 400, 690 volt networks. The backup fuse is integrated. You'll need 2/3 less space in your control cabinet, while also benefiting from an increased protection effect. Your advantage? More flexibility in system design.